Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, patterned paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. You can add on 1, 2, or all 3. You can also check out our Shots of Life, which coordinates and can give you more patterned paper and embellishments that way as well. There'll be a video link at the end. So the add-on is a great way to make your kit even larger, go further, and have more choices. So I absolutely encourage you to check these out and get those added to your kits. So we're going to take a closer look at each one of these. We're going to start with the cardstock add-on. So let me slide the embellishments out of the way for a moment. So for the cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one and 1 of another. So this is great if you want to do double page layouts and you want to do it on cardstock that matches. You can cut them up for photo mats or die cutting, anything that you like. So starting with 49th and Market Christmas Spectacular Collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of green maize and 2 sheets of maraschino. For the Cartabella Christmas Floral Collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of cherry and 2 sheets of blush. So you can see how well these coordinate with your collections. For the Pink Fresh Holiday Dreams, you're going to get 1 sheet of Blue Star and 2 sheets of guacamole. And the Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season collection from Simple Stories, you're going to get 1 sheet of walnut cream and 2 sheets of Lagoon. So simply gorgeous. So now we're going to take a look at the patterned papers. So for the patterned paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this gives you a lot more patterned paper. So starting with 49th and Market, we have this paper called the collection is Christmas Spectacular. The paper is called Hidden Holly. So we have that mixed media design with the holly on the outside, paint. The back is a white polka dot on red, and you can see the text and stuff behind it along with some paint. Your second paper is this one called The Spirit, and it has this grid design in the back with a paint wash across it, holly, berries. The back is a large Christmas plaid. For Cartabella, the Peaceful Christmas Flora Collection, we have this beautiful floral print. It has all these different colors in it. The back is this Christmas design on the minty green. This paper is called Peaceful Small Floral. And then we have little bouquets of florals, a large floral stem, and then the mistletoe and green ferns. The back is a star print on red. This paper is called Peaceful Stems. From Holiday Dreams from Pink Fresh Studios, we have this paper called Under the Tree, which are snowflakes and then the chevron design. The back is an aqua grid design. This paper called Deck the Halls has the greenery boughs, little swags, and the back is this design red on pink. And then Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season from Simple Stories. We have this gorgeous background paper which has this berry wreath, and then we have all of these like newspaper prints, books, just lots of little documents inside of there, the big poinsettia on the side. So this is great as a background. Tuck a little photo in. You could write journaling even on the top of this, a few little embellishments, and you'd call it done. The back is a red plaid. This paper called Christmas Spirit, which I love this. It's already all stacked up again for you. We have the ledger papers, we have envelopes, postcards, little tickets to the side, a little clip. Love it. And the back is this gorgeous holly print. So one more look at all of the gorgeous patterned papers. The final add-on that we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So as you can tell, you're going to get a lot of extra embellishments. Starting with 49th and Market, the Christmas Spectacular, you're going to get a sheet of rub-ons. And these will vary, but the ones I got is the little holly wreaths. For Cartabella Christmas Flora, you're going to get a half a pack of the die cuts. So again, these will vary. Excuse my little sheet. I damaged it when I took it out of the package. So again, those will vary, but you'll get things similar to this. You're going to have lots of little word phrases and then little icons. For the Pink Fresh Holiday Dreams, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So this will vary. It will be this sheet or the other one. So I have lots of word labels, some little tags, a little snow globe. So super cute. For the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season, you're going to get the entire pack of chipboard pieces. So those will be the same among all the kits, but you'll get all of these pieces here. And you can tell they're quite large. They're really gorgeous. I love that collection. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Here are the video links that I spoke of before where you can check out the flavors of the month. You can also check out the shots of life. So all of these coordinate. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and join us with some challenges and fun and just chat with us and have a good time. Thanks so much for watching. We want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and thank you for being a subscriber to the Scrap Room.